A new perpdex opportunity just came out and today I want to show it to you because I think it's very interesting. The numbers do add up and today we will be talking about Reya Perpetual DEX. So what is Reya, how you can access it, how you can farm it to make profit? Let's get started first by creating an account on Reya. If you go on my website that I have created for Perpetual airdrops and scroll a little bit down, you're going to find it here. You're also going to find it inside my airdrop Excel guide. So the first thing is logging into Reya by clicking visit website, and this website will open up for you. You connect your wallet and here is where you get started. If you don't know what Perpetual are, they're the best airdrops and the most revenue hungry platforms across all crypto. Reya has been recently growing a lot. I would say it's one of the most underfarmed airdrops in general. Their volume has just started increasing from late September, so this platform is already farmable in the past 1 month, which makes it a very good target due to the fact that it's very much underfarmed. And also it has a very good growth curve, so it potentially could be worth quite a lot in the future. So let's get started by doing our first deposit on Reya. We connect our account and we click the deposit button. You can deposit through Ethereum or Arbitrum using USDC. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to deposit $100. We click switch network, approve token to approve our USDC to be deposited inside the Reya platform. And I want to show you how easy it is. In general, if you don't know how to farm perpetuals, on the first link down below in the description, you are going to find a video that shows you how to leverage the delta neutral strategy. This strategy allows us to minimize our costs while increasing our overall farming profitability. You don't do actual trading, but you just open up positions on different perpetuals. So at the end of the day, you only pay fees to get points, which points should be worth more than the fees you paid when these platforms drop a token. So our deposit should take around 15 minutes. Your balance will be available on the top window. So that's the first thing we got to do. We got to wait for 15 minutes and then we can start trading on the platform. This platform has a lot of different tokens that you can trade with quite a lot of leverage, 10x leverage for major coins like Bitcoin. It's 40x, for Ethereum 25x and Solana 25x. So all of the main coins that you would like to trade on, they're here. Also, their funding rates are quite good. They're not very huge, so you also don't incur a lot of loss there. So let me show you exactly what goes on. When you deposit on Reya, you get RUSDC, which is the Reya USDC. You can either trade with it or just go into the stake tab and stake your Reya coins, which is also very interesting. You can actually deposit USDC and the amount you deposit will also be used as collateral for your trading. So if you're a whale and you want to deposit a lot of funds to passively farm points, this is also possible for you to do. You can deposit on Arbitrum or Ethereum and you get staked RUSD, the Reya USD. All right, so that's the first thing. If we click on the rewards tab, we can see the points distributed this week, which was 160,000 points. Overall, total points distributed are about 8 million. As you can see, I have not started farming it. This is my first deposit and my first interaction with it. So I will make sure to keep updating you on all of the things that will be happening. Here you can also see the bonuses and the boosts associated with everything. So trading is what is the most profitable thing. What I really like about the platform is that as you do volume on the 14-day chart, you get less and less fees paid, but also you get a bigger and a bigger boost on your trading. The greatest part is that if you are not a huge whale or a market maker, you are not going to be diluted by these guys because their boost is zero, because they have the slowest fees across everything. So what you want to do is target about $100,000 to $1 million of volume every single 2 weeks. So that's pretty easy to do. With about $1,000 you can easily do with delta neutral. There is also this ranks tab that shows you the ranking you have across all of the Reya accounts, which is very interesting. And there is also the FAQ where you can see more things about Reya points. So it's pretty easy to farm. Like guys, You can either deposit liquidity and you can also do trading. I would highly suggest that if you look to farm this, that you start doing trades. That's what I believe is the best option. A very good value proposition for Reya is that they also have a chain on top of Arbitrum, if I'm not mistaken, so that increases their potential value. Reya is also quite new, so you can expect huge updates from them and a lot of improvements. If you're interested to check it out, all of the links are down below in the description. Let me know also if you want me to show a specific airdrop in the next videos or so, and let me know if you want me to do updates for you on this specific airdrop. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.